guys, how's it going? Kevin Schlenker, CEO and founder of Skar Audio here. Today's February 1st. We're just going to be doing a quick dyno today of our ever so popular RP-1200.1 monoblock amplifier. I've got it here as well as here. As you can see, it's hooked up to our amp dyno. We are ready to run. I just wanted to point out a few quick highlights of this amplifier and a few of the many reasons why it's so popular. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. I did open up another RP-1200 here for reference. We could talk about it, point out a couple of the features real quick before we jump into the amp dyno and the 1200.1 that's hooked up behind me. So 4-gauge power and ground input terminals. On the user control panel side, you're going to have your power and protect indicator lights, RCA connection terminals. Next up, we're going to have our EQ base switch. So you're going to have 0, 6, and 12 decibel ratings there. Next, you're going to have your gain control, low pass filter, and your subsonic filter controls. So, all the features that you need, stable at 1 ohm, 1000 watt, 1500 watt system, you're going to be perfect running this amplifier. All right, guys, so here we go. We're going to jump into dynoing this RP-1200.1 monoblock amplifier. Again, 1 ohm stable daily, great for powering a system between 1000 and 1500 watts. 4-gauge power and ground input terminals. I mean, this is the definition of a daily driver amplifier. So without further ado, we're going to start with a certified 1 ohm dyno test, and then we're going to move on to a dynamic test, also known as more of a burst power test for those peak output ratings. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and start with our certified dyno run at a 1 ohm load on the RP-1200. This is going to be clean, true power output. Here we go. And there you have it. So you guys can see 1,213 watts at 13.76 volts. Amplifiers are typically rated at 14.4, so definitely getting well over 1,200 watts as it's rated at that 1 ohm load. As you can see, a little under 14 volts, so very impressive output. All right, so now we're going to jump into our dynamic, or AKA burst power test on the dyno and a Skar Audio RP-1200.1 at 1 ohm. Go ahead and starting the test now. If you watch your screen, you're going to want to watch this number as it fluctuates. It's running the test. Here we go. Still running. Great. So now the test is finished. As you can see on your screen, 1,695 watts at a 1 ohm load at 13.76 volts. Typically manufacturers are rated at 14.4, like I already mentioned. And, for a burst power test, 1,695 watts is very impressive out of a 1,200 watt rated amplifier. So, very high quality amplifier, 1 ohm daily stable. Can't go wrong, RP-1200.1. Thanks for watching.